Hey everybody, Bobby here with EZ LYNK, and today we've got we've got a watercraft here in the shop. We've got our Seadoo Spark, and we wanted to go over a function with you that we've gotten some questions about, and that's key programming. So we offer key programming with our tool to be able to reset all your keys on your Seadoo watercraft. So first things first, we've got our auto agent, we've got our cable hooked up to the diagnostic port. Your diagnostic port is just located underneath this quick access panel on the side of the machine here. So we've got our auto agent plugged in, we've got our app opened up, so let's dive into it. So we're connected to the machine here, and we're going to go into our vehicle functions. And inside the functions is where we have all of our features that we can do and different functions for these vehicles. So this one, a lot of it is the key programming. So quick note on the keys, BRP, the keys, they have a couple different ones for the watercraft. They have the green ones, which they code as like their learning keys, and then they have the yellow ones, kind of the regular keys. There is no actual difference in these keys, just so everybody knows. How you assign them to the machine is what makes the difference. So you can take a learning key, which is normally your reduced power mode key and all that kind of stuff like that, and you can program it to a performance key, and you can do the same with the regular key. You can program it to a learning key or a rental key. There's no difference in the actual keys, so just keep that in mind. And also, these keys are the same across all BRP platforms. So whether we're talking a Seadoo watercraft or a Skidoo snowmobile or a Can-Am UTV, keys are keys. So you can program a Can-Am key to this or a Skidoo key to this and vice versa if you needed to. We've done that here in the shop multiple times when we've misplaced a key for a minute. So anyway, just a quick explanation on that. So if you don't have the exact one, don't worry. Just you can program it how you want in the app here. So we'll jump in and we'll start with this one. We've just got a regular key here, put it on the post, and we'll turn on the machine here. And with this one up here on the screen, it flashes, it's a learning key. Well, it's obviously just the standard key, but it's been programmed to a learning key. So what we can do if we want to change that back to a performance key is we'll come in here and we'll hit, first off, if you've already got a key that's programmed, you'll want to always erase the key. So come in here, erase the key, and then you will hit run. And run, you'll get this prompt that says remove key successful. And if we take this on and off the post real fast, we're going to see it's going to come up on the dash here. It will say wrong key. And there you go. Pops up wrong key. Okay, so we've got our key erased, and we're going to go ahead and add a normal key at this point. So we'll go in here and we'll add normal key, and we're going to hit run. Hear the chirp on the machine, and now it's not flashing wrong key anymore. We got our performance key programmed onto the machine. So this one is done, and if we wanted to still keep a learning key, we can do that. We can take another tether if you have multiple tethers, and we can add it onto there, and we can program that one as well. So this one, again, hasn't been programmed to anything, so it's flashing wrong key. So we don't need to erase it because it's already not programmed, and we can go in here and we can click add a learning key and hit run. And again, we get a chirp, and then up here on the dash, it is flashing learning key. So both these keys have been programmed to this vehicle now. This one is in fact a learning key, and this one is your standard performance key. So that is a quick way to do that. And another feature on this, if you're not aware, you can program obviously multiple keys to a machine. So you're not actually programming the key in these, you're just adding this key's code to the machine. So it's got a library and basically inside of it, and you can add as many, well, you can add up to about 10 keys to these machines. So if you have several Skidoo or several of these watercraft or snowmobiles or UTVs, whatever your case may be, you can take these keys, if you got multiple, and if you're just going to be the one using them, you can program these all to each other. So you can add this key to all 4 of your machines if you got 4 of them, and vice versa, so that if you ever needed to borrow a key off of one and put it on another, it will just work. But for right now, that's what I got for you today, guys. Thanks for checking us out, and always keep watching for more features and functions we got coming out. We're bringing new stuff out all the time. So thanks, guys.